Hi guys, welcome. This is Jerry. In this video I'm going to show you all the things about this 2092 MGZS Excite. So the MGZS Excite is the base model for the New Zealand and Australia version. And they are a small compact sized SUV with tons of room inside. So this is how the vehicle looks like on the side. This is finished in sterling silver, but you can get other colors, for example white, black, red and blue. Let's look at the grille. So it's finished with this large piece black grille and chrome parts around the side, chrome at the bottom. And the vehicle does come with auto lights with LED daytime running on the side, plus normal halogen lights. We also have a 17-inch alloy wheels around the wheel. And fuel tank is on the driver's side. Let's open the boot. So boot opening is different. So push the MG logo on top, open that back. And this is how the deep floor looks like. So this is just the boot floor. You can drop it down or you can lift it up to this particular level. Underneath we have spare wheel and jack and tools. So take the tray out, pull it up. Now it's nice and flat. Obviously you can still drop the seats if you need to on each end of the seats. Honestly, the boot size looks much bigger than what the vehicle indicates. So it sits down, you get about more than 350 liters of boot space with the back seats up. And manual closing, just drop them like that. So let's go to the back. Again, there's tons of space at the back. The vehicle is finished in full synthetic leather, so it's got a nice touch, soft finish around. And again, you can drop the seats by pull this open. And sitting mat. So this is my sitting position at the front, and I'm about 178 centimeters. This feels good leg room and good foot space. So tons of space at the back. And look at the window. It's very wide opening, so you're not gonna miss anything. It doesn't feel dark or anything like that. This is how the dashboard looks like. Right, so let's jump to the front. And again, synthetic leather seats. Obviously being the base model, you only have manual adjustments. Other things, you do get central locking, window controls and wind mirror controls, everything. Steering is finished wrapped with, so again, synthetic leather, but very nice touch. This carries on to all the ZS and ZST trims, so exactly the same steering. And the vehicle comes with the standard key, so this is how the key looks like. Lock, unlock, and boot unlock. Plus you get the key plate that takes it out. Press this button. Obviously standard key start. Push the foot down. This is how the dashboard looks like. So traditional analog dial on the left for the speedo. Center display shows your odometer, shows your trip information. On the right hand side we get the rev counter plus a few warning lights, all that things. Windscreen control is on the right hand side and indicator is on the left. Obviously being a European style vehicle, we get auto lights plus front and rear fog lights for New Zealand versions. The windscreen wiper, just a standard windscreen wiper, there's no sensor. And we do have another lever behind, that's for your cruise control or speed limiter information. Other controls for the radio and also for the screen adjustment on this side. Come to the middle, we do have a 8-inch display, so that offers, for example, radio controls and also car vehicle controls for safety, for couple information systems. And also you get Apple CarPlay plus other settings, Bluetooth, and set it up. When you put on reverse as standard, the vehicle comes with reverse camera plus rear parking sensors. straightforward. Other things, air conditioning control, so when air conditioning temperature, switch on, switch off, and fan speed on the right hand side. Everything's pretty easy, very easy to locate. Underneath we get 2 charging ports. One is the 12-volt socket, the other one is a USB that allows you to charge your device, also connect your smartphone if you need to. Next, gear lever, reverse, neutral, drive, sports, and manual shift as well, and handbrake, just like that. Cool. And in terms of driving, the vehicle will come with a 1.5 litre natural aspirate petrol engine with 84 kilowatts for the power. It's powered by a 4-speed automatic gearbox with front wheel drive only. So this is designed for city run-around vehicle, for urban drive. It's not built for off-road, it's not built for sporty driving or anything like that. But with that price point, just over $24,000 New Zealand dollars drive away with 7-year warranty, this is still a very solid car, and the chassis is very well built. So we're gonna go for a drive and see how it goes. And as you can see, the reverse camera is very easy to see the surrounding area. It's got quite a wide view overall. Here is the seal is very rough, so you do get a little bit more cabin noise or road noise from all the places. So as you can see, the pickup is very easy. Although it only has 4-speed automatic gearbox, there's not much hesitation. The cruising around is pretty easy as well. You do need to give the engine a little bit push if you're going really uphill, but very smooth from 20 all the way to 100 kilometers. So I'm going to just push the vehicle from 80 to 100. You can see the rev goes up by 3000 RPM, and the power is just very gradual. You can see the pickup is very easy from the line. Once you kick into the second gear, good amount of power. We just went easily to 80k. Obviously in the vehicle is under me, so the weight is actually not so much. The vehicle is very easy to go. Now we're 100, and just how smooth everything is. Surprisingly done very good job with this 1.5 litre petrol engine. Unless you are going to really uphill or climb up the mountains or anything like that, you do struggle a little bit with that power. You do need to get the rev up. But if you're driving just like a normal human being and just cruise around 80 to 100 kilometers, it's easy to line up. And I personally quite like this car because it's highway driving. The chassis itself is very stable. It's very solid. There's very minimal body roll compared to any small cars or light vehicles I've driven, and the steering is very tight as well. Again, in the vehicle settings, you can actually set it up, the steering to be solid, to be just standard, or to be light, where on your preference. This is on normal mode at the moment. And noise on the motorway is alright. It's actually smaller than a lot of small hatchback, what I feel. You do get some wind noise, as today is a rainy day. tire noise is not so much unless you're going on a rough surface, rough seal. Yeah, and visibility is wonderful on this vehicle. Front windscreen is huge. We got minimum blind spot on the right hand side, and the A-pillar is fairly small. Wind mirror is large enough, not too large, but just medium size. And at the back, we got big windscreen at the back due to its shape. And C-pillar, again, very minimal. So overall, the driving experience is pleasant, unless you are driving a very sporty vehicle at the moment and suddenly your parents want you to purchase this vehicle. It's probably not going to work because it's power. It's a run around vehicle from trip A to trip B. It's not built for the most fun driving, but it does its job just like this. And yeah, very easy to cruise, 100 kilometers. Obviously on motorway you get assistance, things like cruise control. You get speed limiter as well if you want to set your speed limiter to 100 kilometers per hour. And you can also have a thing called speed warning. So that gives you a warning at, again, 110k, 120k, whichever you set. So again, from, for example, when I come to a complete stop or the giveaway, the startup is easy. First and second gears occasionally does have a hesitation, but not by much. And overall experience is pretty easy and pretty understandable for this particular small engine as well. And you're not gonna have too much complaints overall. Up acceleration, gear change. I was putting down about 60 to 70% of the pedal. I'm not flooring it, but as you can see, it picks up alright. Now we're back on the rough seal now, so to get a little bit more road noise in the car. That's pretty much bring us to the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. That will help me to grow this channel and do more videos like this. What's my verdict? I think overall the vehicle finish is very well finished, and it's got nice design, nice look. It's still very modern for what you're buying by the price. And with that 7-year warranty in New Zealand, this has unbeatable value for what it offers, and drive is normal, just like urban vehicle should be. So if you are considering this vehicle, you can contact us at ebit.co.nz. I will leave a link down below. Myself can also sell you the vehicle if you're in New Zealand. My name is Jerry, and my email is jerry@ebit.co.nz. Again, I'll leave a long link down below, and hope you enjoyed the video again, and see you next one.